Whoa! To meet the teams for this game, first introducing the team Sweden. Number 1, Denzel Andersson. 2, Adam Röstedt.
Si Lori. Yun ang katagal na si Lori. Shoutouts pare Alfred. Asin cards. Chinchi.
Swing too.
Very good. Oh! One more.
Yeah, okay, for the win. Roshan, for the win.
Short. Very Goods naman, meron silang ganyan, fan zone. Iniwan ko yung bag ko doon guys, puro groceries. May bayad na tres. Alright, wala na akong dala. Sana pwede itong camera. Sana pwede yung camera, meron naman, di ba? Dala ko lang yung pitaka ko, naiwan doon yung akaso. Iwan doon. Alright, let's go. Ano tayong basketball? Hindi ako makashoot ah. Hindi ako makashoot, sakit ng dito ko. Alright, pasok na tayo dito sa Nokia Arena. Hindi mo pala makikita to pag nandun ka sa labas. Nokia Arena, hindi mo makikita. Nandun ka sa labas guys. Tatakpan siya ng mga buildings. So, punta ako sa ticket booth. Try ko gamitin yung e-pass. Sana mayroon. Let's go. Kung wala, doon na lang ako sa fan zone. Let's go. Guys, dito na tayo sa loob guys. So, may mga merch. Eurobasket, t-shirts, 25 each. Sando, sombrero, iba-iba guys. Let's go. Ano sana yung bola na yun, yung maliit eh. Bola na maliit. Let's go. Si Laurie. Ganyan katakal na si Laurie.
And no big surprise, the winner of today's voting is Espresso Macchiato with over 50% of the votes. DJ Baduisi, bring on the beats.
Team Deutschland, Germany. Si Schroeder ng Schroeder. So, Dennis Schroeder.
Team Lithuania,
Daming fans ng Litova guys.
we're getting the warm-up in full speed here. We're getting the atmosphere up here in Kapanadek Arena as well, which is fabulous. We're going to have an amazing game today here between Team Lithuania and Team Germany. These two teams are now at the top of the Group B rankings. We'll see what will happen after today's game. Who will take the win? Both teams have secured
Important game pa rin, napanood natin guys.
so far.
Important
And
game to.
last time that these two teams have met up in the Eurobasket level back in 2022, Team Germany took the win after 2 overtimes. So it was a long game. We'll see what will happen today. Will we play here until tomorrow? Hopefully not. Hopefully we'll get a result a little bit earlier. And yesterday when Team Lithuania played against Team Montenegro, all 12 players.
Lithuania guys, dami. There are too many. Full support ko. Valenciunas naman sa kabila, Valenciunas versus Schroeder. Malakas itong mga team na to guys.
invite you to stand for the national anthem of Germany. Lithuania.
Tambak, guys. Let's go, Scheider. Alright. Tambak, guys. 74-90 in favor of Germany. It's a done game, guys. Into the next game, Great Britain and Sweden. Let's go. Tambak, guys. Wala. Ang lakas ng Germany, guys. Ô Tristão, uma foto aqui, Tristão. Ô Tristão, uma foto aqui, ó. Brasil. Vai lá, Tata, olha. Valeu. Daniel Theis, guys, you know, up close and personal. Daniel Theis. Daniel Theis, guys. Deutschland, let's go.
This is FIBA Eurobasket 2025.
Sweden, Great Britain.
Give it out to the crowd, they go crazy. Give it straight from the mouth, they go crazy. When you making them proud, they go crazy. This is what we about to go crazy.
This game, first introducing the team Sweden. Number 1, Denzel Anderson. 2, Adam Röstedt. 5, Wilhelm Fall. 6, Tobias Borg. 9, Pelle Larsson. 12, team captain Ludwig Håkansson. 15,
Tira. Wow.
2 points. Sweden 35.
Half time, guys. 35-30 in favor of
And
Sweden.
now, ladies and gentlemen, friends of basketball, we have a little bit of playtime here in the court. We're gonna play a classic red light, green light game. Here are our...
Oh, 1 minute, guys. Panalo Sweden. Let's go. Bounce na ako dito. Let's go.
2 points.
Bounce na ako dito, guys. Final score. Tambak. Alright, guys, we're done there. Second game. Kunin ko na yung bag ko. Tambay-tambay na lang tayo. Libot-libot tayo sa loob. Pakita ko sa loob ng fan zone. Let's go. Alright.
Competition. Everyone who wants to join, please join me here. We start the queue from here. So the
Libot
first
tayo sa loob, guys.
and you can try two times. And then if you throw the ball in the basket, you will get a prize, which is
Ano tayo?
another Red Bull. All right. Good luck. Now the ball.
May pila, guys. Shoot the ball. Ito nga, Pirka. Ito nga, hardball sport. Ano gagawin dyan? Parang ano yung ayos din dito sa fan zone. Hindi ko paano, guys. Ito ko natatapusin ang video, guys. Malamig, maambon-ambon. Ito, mayroon ito. Fan shop. Ito, may fan shop. Ito, nabili niya yung bola ni Marvin. Nakilala ko dun, Pilipino doon. Kaso kami nagkaintindihan sa ano. Tingnan ko ano mabili ko sa loob. Let's go. Ayan, guys, shoot tayo ng ball. Pila na tayo. Ayan. Shoot mo doon yung ball, guys. Palipas oras na tayo ito. Hanggang mamaya. Let's go. Pwede rin pag may kasama ka yan. Football. Shoutouts pare Alfred. Tag basketball cards, oh. Cards. Chinchi. Oh. Ay, ay, ay. Wow, very good.
Oh, it's more swing too.
Very good, very good. Oh! One more, one more.
Yeah, we'll get for the win. Roshan for the win.
Ay! Short! Shoot na tayo dito. Kalipas oras, guys. Ano makakuha ko nun? Uy! Ah! Alright guys, public na ako. Bounce. Bounce guys. Hindi na tayo manonood ng panggabi. Hindi na tayo manonood ng panggabi guys. Direkta na tayo pa uwi. Ito gusto ko rin subukan to minsan. Subukan natin. Nandito tayo sa sentro guys. Alright. Pakit yung mga tao nakakaya naka-camera ako. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next vlog. From Tammerfors. Alright, let's go. Eurobasket 2025.